How the fuck do I use this thing? Fucking cameras are so goddamn complicated. I don't know, people vlog holding their fucking camera like this. Like, holy shit, dude. Where's the mic even at? I don't even know. Alright, so pretty much, I have a package here. Right there. Alright. Is my hand on the mic? Fuck. What the fuck is the mic? Wait, how do I get the footage from the... Oh god. Now, how the fuck is this going to work? Bro, this is some bullshit. What the fuck? Hello? So essentially what's going on is I gotta step over this fucking chair. I'm trying new things. So I have my camera, right? I've had this camera for a while. The floor is annoying. I've had this camera for a while, and essentially I need to utilize it correctly, so I need to actually use it for making videos. I've just been wanting to be more creative. Yes, this is great lighting. I've been wanting to be more creative and just broaden my horizon when it comes to videos. Not even really vlogging. This isn't a vlog, but I want to continue to do sponsored type videos, so basically where companies will send me shit that I typically think is cool. Welcome to another unboxing video. Wearing one of the new shirts that you can get over at GoldMine.shop. It's basically my merch store, so it supports me a lot. Fuck. I'm trying to be more creative with my unboxing or sponsored videos. So this is different. For once, I'm actually I'm standing up. I know, it's insane. Once I get used to knowing how to record with this fucking weird-ass technology, and once I get some better lighting, obviously, I will be back in my room, which would be helpful, because I actually don't even know what I'm unboxing. But it's fine, we got the package with my address here, so I can dox myself. Just fucking open, you stupid bitch. God, this tape is like indestructible. So the first item is the smart plug. All these are by AUKEY, of course. They support me a lot, so thanks guys, sorry it took 2 months to upload this video. So essentially the point of this is a Wi-Fi smart plug, so you plug it into your wall, you use the free AUKEY, the home app, you get it set up that way. If you can get it opened, holy shit, cardboard my ass. What the fuck is this, dude? Thank you. Oh shit, you get 2 of them. 3-prong, but yeah, you get 2 of these. So that's cool. They even have a power button on the side. I don't know if you can see that. Fucking manual focus. There you go. Yeah, now you can see that shit. So essentially the point of these Wi-Fi plugs is you can connect to it to your phone, and then you can control or set a timer whenever you want something to be powered. We actually have some of these other devices. So let's say you have lights on from 1 to 6 p.m., but then you want them off by, you know, after 6. You'd be able to control it into your phone and set timers like that, which is pretty cool. They also work with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa as well if you want to set it up through there instead of getting their app on your phone and doing it that way. I think they're $27 right now for the 2-pack. My blinds are open and I think someone's watching me. It's like fucking 9 at night. Why are you... What is the next? Oh shit, what the fuck? Magnetic wireless earbuds. Oh, may have cut myself, but it's fine, because I'm a professional. Fucking manual no one reads. Another manual no one reads. You get a little case, and then I don't know what each box is for. I'm assuming 1 earbud each. What the hell? Wait, do I get 2? So one box contains multiple ear tips depending on your ear. And this is just a small charging cable for the device. And the other box is the actual fucking unit. So just typical earbuds. Magnetic, so you don't lose them if you're running especially, so you just put them over your neck and then fucking do this shit easy, bro. Fuck me. I keep looking at the goddamn screen instead of you, so like, I'm sorry. Like the video. There's definitely someone watching me outside. Oh. Okay, so you power the device on, holding the middle button, and then it's in pairing mode immediately, so now I just gotta connect it. How the fuck do you put these in? Oh, that's deep in there. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's listen to some shit. Okay. How loud do they get? Oh! Jesus Christ. How much are these? 26 bucks? What the fuck? I'm not even kidding you. This isn't some bullshit. Like I said, they're not paying me. They just sent me the shit. To put into perspective, so I have been basically using Apple AirPods, you know, just the typical pods that you get throughout buying new devices. Always just gone with the wired, and so that's kind of been, that's the only type of earbud or thing that isn't a headset that I've been using, and these blow those in the fucking water. Like, the bass is Holy shit. The point of this product is it's aimed towards sports individuals, so people who like wireless earbuds and also don't want it to fall out of their ears if they're working out or if they're running. I have problems with any wireless earbuds that aren't like actual Apple AirPods or Apple earbuds. These fit in right away. I didn't have to change any ear tips or anything. Obviously mileage will vary depending on who you are. But seriously, these sound really fucking good. Like, I'm actually going to use these. Boy, you already know I'm about to use them bitches. Fuck you mean. Alright, so this is I saved the biggest one for last. This thing is decently huge. Oh my god, there's more boxes. Holy shit. Alright, we got this small box. I don't know what this shit is. This is definitely gonna be a 10-minute video. Alright, so we got a charger, wall charger, okay. Product redeem thing, same thing as with every other product you get with AUKEY, shitty user manual. I don't know how much it didn't record. God, I fucking hate cameras, dude, like seriously. This was a learning experience for sure. I just wanted to try something different. Links will be in the description if you guys want to check out any of these products. Again, I don't know how much I recorded of the last one, but essentially, this is a touchscreen lamp. It's actually really cool. Right now it's only $19 and it's RGB. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. I apologize for how fucking ridiculous this shit is, but like I said, fuck it, dude.
Dude, stop negging. Don't neg. No one likes a negger.